Grief is often described as a weight or a shadow, something that looms over us after we've lost someone or something that we truly and deeply loved. But inside that shadow is also a light that comes from remembering and celebrating and choosing gratitude even in the midst of sorrow. Hello, my name's Lenny Hunt. I'm a certified grief coach, a content creator, public speaker. I'm all kinds of stuff, but I'm also a grieving father. And today, we're going to be talking about celebrating life, grief inside of gratitude. When we grieve, it's easy to only focus on the pain. Now, the pain is real and it does deserve our attention. But alongside the pain, there's something else that we can practice. It's called gratitude. Now, gratitude doesn't necessarily erase the pain, but it does make it a little bit easier. Gratitude can transform the way that we think and process our loss. Gratitude allows us to celebrate the life that was lived and not merely mourn the loss. It's about remembering the laughs that we shared, or maybe the late night talks, or the food that we both really liked and loved to eat together, or the food that we both hated. Just those quirky habits that made your loved one unique. Gratitude keeps their presence alive in your story and in your life. So what is gratitude, and how do I use it when I'm trying to honor my loved one? Well, it's a lot simpler than you think. I'm sure you've heard of lighting a candle or journaling. What about this? Share your favorite stories. Share your favorite memories that you have of your loved one with other people that they loved too, like friends, family members. That's gratitude. Sharing memories about our loved one is a way to honor them. It reminds us that grief is not an ending, and sharing stories shows that their life still has an impact on your life. Impact that they had on your life is still an impact that they can have on everyone's life when you share that memory, when you share your gratitude. Regardless that they're gone, you're happy that they were here. Remember, gratitude does not erase the pain. And gratitude does not mean you are ignoring the pain, but it gives you permission to feel both the pain and the joy. Grief and gratitude, they can walk hand in hand. So today I invite you and I challenge you to celebrate the love of your loved one and share a story, share a memory, and the gratitude for the one that you love and the one that you lost. Share your gratitude.